Kwayo ni nogola kod jatend obila e sub-county ma Suna East Samuel Boit, ma bende obiro ndalo achiel kende tok achiel kuom johala e boma ma Migori moyangi kaka Elias Ogweno nochiel kod magina e boma no e seche mag otieno. Jatend obila e sub-county ma Suna East wacho ni gibedo kod pek e ng'eyo gigo matimore otieno kod rochruok mar arita kwe matimore seche mag otieno nikech onge mar kamera mar wang dede. Tend obila osingo jiwo arita kwe e chuny boma ma Migori kako machielo jiwo oganda mondo mi oti machiegni kod obila eno ni arita kwe obedo makare e boma no kinde duto.
After doing some, he took a motorbike that was around 20:00 hours. About 200 meters to his place of residence, he had a gunshot. The rider sped off, and the gentleman said he had 3 shots fired, and he felt a sharp pain on his upper part, back of the upper part of this body. The suspected gangsters escaped to a unknown direction, and there was nothing which was stolen from this gentleman. Police have swung. We have intensified foot patrol, and also if there is any difference between you and someone else, please bring the matter to police so that it can be investigated and necessary action will be taken. I urge the members of the public also, especially the business community within the town, they should install